The Bentley Bentayga is a luxury SUV that combines elegance with performance. Priced from £172,000, it offers a hand-finished interior, impressive infotainment, and a choice between a V8 petrol or a V6 plug-in hybrid engine. The Bentayga's V8 S model delivers 542 brake horsepower, sprinting from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Its 8-speed automatic gearbox is smooth, though slightly hesitant in urban settings. The Bentayga's refined ride and precise steering make it a standout in its class. Inside, the Bentayga boasts a luxurious driving position with adjustable seats and a high-quality finish. The 10.9-inch infotainment screen offers sharp graphics and intuitive controls. Optional features include a Naim sound system and a touring specification pack with a head-up display. The Bentayga offers ample space for passengers with options for 5, 4, or 7 seats. The boot provides 484 liters of space in 5-seat versions, though rivals like the Aston Martin DBX offer more. The long wheelbase version adds extra rear legroom. The Bentayga's standard features include a panoramic roof and 4-zone climate control. Customization options are extensive, but running costs are high, with the V8 achieving around 21 miles per gallon. The hybrid version offers better fuel economy, making it ideal for shorter journeys.